cooked. I am going to do it a little bit differently this time. I'm going to add the carrot into the chicken. Alright, so here are my remaining ingredients. Yes, these are all my remaining ingredients. Alright, so the first dish is almost created completely. I'm in part 2, phase 2 of the cooking journey of the chicken fried rice. Alright, let's go over to the stove. Alright, I have my onions in here, my garlic, fresh garlic and garlic powder, sea salt, all of that is in here. Now, I'm going to add the vegetables. Vegetables. I'm going to add sweet peas and diced carrot. It's a combination. I was trying to get just the diced carrots alone, but couldn't locate it. Next, I'll be adding sweet corn. This is what I would be selling in my restaurant. Yes, inside of my restaurant. The Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV restaurant. Located all across the Philippines and across Jamaica and America. Yes. Chain of restaurants. You can get your franchise. So just get your money ready and lined up for the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV franchise. I'm just going to add in the rice like this. You're watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube platform. So I'll be opening a chain of restaurants across the Philippines and the United States and Jamaica. find some in India too. In the Himalayan mountain, over by Philippindia Pond, and the mountain top, Himalayan mountain top. Scallion. Green onion scallion. Yes. Stir it slowly up. Watching the Winston grill. Okay, and this is watching the grill. You're watching chicken fries being created right before your eyes. Yes. See exactly what's going into your recipe, into the dish, so you know for sure what you're eating. Yes, when you come to my restaurant, this is what you will find. Yes, so you know that is a lot of efforts put into it, and it's been done right. Yes, by Chef Winston Gel. From Jamaica, living in America. All right, now this is my bell pepper. This is my bell peppers. Bell peppers, red, yellow, that's my color of my cooking flag. All right, the final ingredients. Final ingredients. All right. That's the final ingredients. Scrambled eggs. So this is my chicken fried rice. My intercontinental Jamaican style. Jamaican and American style fried rice. Original ideas, of course, is from the Chinese or the Japanese or the Korean, whichever one of them, whoever came up with it first. So I'm modifying it. This is the Jamaican version / Philippine. Yes, I'm using a lot of vegetables. Yes, vegetable ideas came from the Philippines. Yes, they eat a lot of vegetables in the Philippines. Because of them, I am eating a lot of vegetables, more than ever before. All right, last thing coming up. All right, this is the last thing, my friends. Doesn't look up. Yes. this is what it is. Alright. Bean sprout. Bean sprout. This is Winston gel cooking and discovery. Original style. Yes, chicken fried rice. Alright, I'm going to share out Ickham's and Chambers and Matthew. Yeah. And Kuya Ickham. Share out all my brothers. Share out Miss Simone, yes, in Jamaica, Sudani, yes, Dennis, man, I'll leave you out there, Dennis, just a tease you, and Dennis Taylor, that is the chicken fried rice, and to all my families and friends in the Philippines, here it is, in India, it's original chicken fried rice from Winston. Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, my friends. Yes, I'm sharing. Sharing out chicken fried rice. Sharing out the chicken. Baby's hot. It's hot. Okay, my friends. This is the conclusion, the end of this cooking journey for the chicken fried rice. And you're seeing this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Yes. Chicken fried rice. Jamaican and American style. Yes, influenced by the Philippines, with lots of vegetables. Yes, unique. And you can see this on the Winston Gel. Again, and Discovery TV. Please like and share. Please support my channel and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another cooking adventure. Cooking and Discovery TV. Have a fantastic